जय श्रीमन्नारायण 268th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vagmine Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you speak very sweet. Your speech is very sweet. Your speech always bestows a great favor to each and everyone. Your speech has so much of deeper level meaning in it. And Sakshat Vedam itself came down from your divine mouth. Such great speech you have. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Vagmine Namaha. Om Vagmine Namaha. With meditation upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata, with so much of upset and angry towards his mother Kaikamma, he is saying, "Ho Kaikeyi, I am going to be completely giving this kingdom to my brother Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then I will fulfill all the final rights of my father Dasaratha Maharaju. Like that, I will do regression activity for all the sin that you have done. And I will try to get rid of all the defame that you brought to me. Ho Kaikeyi, Anayayitva Tanayam, Kausalyaya Mahabalam. I will bring Sri Ramachandra Swami here, and I will have Ramachandra Swami take this kingdom. Then Swayameva Pravekshyami Vanam Muninishevitam. Then I will enter into Dandakaranyam. I will live there in the forest. Ho Papatmurala, ho sinful lady, ho Kaikeyi, look at all the citizens of Ayodhya. Everyone's eyes are filled up with tears. With those tears, they are looking at me. So innocent people, they are unable to bear the separation from Ramachandra Swami. With that kind of heavy hearts and with so much of filled up tears, they are looking at me. That much of papam you have done, and you put all that papam on me. I cannot bear that much of sin, Ho Kaikeyi. How much of terrible sin you have committed. Do you realize that? I don't know why you are even alive after doing so much of big sin. You should now jump into fire. Otherwise, at least you should commit suicide, hang yourself. Rajjum Badhanava Kanthe. You should hang yourself. Or you just go into the forest and start living over there. There is no other regression for the sin that you have done other than either hanging or jumping into fire or going into a forest and living over there. Like this, Bharata scolding, shouting at his mother Kaikeyi, and Bharata is moving like anything and terribly shaking, and Itinaga Ivaranye, like a big serpent. He is heavily breathing and his eyes got so much red, and all of his garments, cloths are going here and there. All his ornaments are just sprinkled everywhere, and he just fell down on the floor after shouting and shouting. Then after a while he got up. Slowly he started opening his eyes. By then, Sumantra and all other ministers and Purohitas came down over there, realizing that Bharata already reached the kingdom. So they came here to see Bharata. Now Bharata has seen all these mantris and Purohitas. Then in front of them again Bharata, he started scolding, shouting at his mother Kaikeyi, and also he is making sure that all these ministers and Purohitas should realize that I do not have any kind of involvement in this big sinful action. He is saying that Rajyam na kamaye. Oh my dear ministers, oh my dear Purohitas, I never asked for Rajyam, I never asked for kingdom. Jatu mantraye napi mataram. I never had any sort of discussion with my mom about this kingdom and about getting coronated to this kingdom at all. Please believe me, Vanavasam na janami Ramasya. I have no idea, I have no clue what is going on here. I am not at all involved in sending Rama into the forest. I am not at all involved in sending Sitamma, Lakshmana into the forest. Like that, he is trying to prove himself that he is not involved in this entire episode. He is trying to prove it to the ministers and Purohitas. Afterwards, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 29th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi Mahendro Vasudo Vasuhu Naikarupo Bruhadrupaha Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Vagmine Namaha. Om Vagmine Namaha. Om Vagmine Namaha.